Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you get notified of any future videos. You guys, I am super excited for today's video because we have a little surprise here. I am so excited to share this with you guys. So I was reached out by Venus et Fleur for a collaboration, and if you don't know what Venus et Fleur is, they are eternity flowers. You need to check them out. I cannot keep flowers alive for my life. So when Venus et Fleur reached out and they were like, we want you to pick out something that you like and tell us what you think. So I was like, absolutely. So here we are. Let's check her out. I ended up picking something from their classic collection, and I'm so excited to see what it looks like in person. We need to see what this is all about. Oh my God. If you guys could smell what's coming out of this box right now, look at this. Look at the box. This is what it looks like, okay, inside. So it says lift from this tab, but before I do, I want to show you guys what comes inside. So it says someone cares, has this little postcard here, really cute, nice and pink on the back. Look at that, really cute. And then we have a little card here. Okay, we have two little cards. So inside comes with this one, and anything inside, it's blank. So if I want to gift these to somebody, I could absolutely do that. And here we have a little business card looking thing that has the instructions on it, and it's so cute as well. It's gold and white, very cute. Love all this, really cute. So we are going to lift from this tab like it says. Oh my God, you guys, it says lift here. It comes, wow, it's really secure. I was wondering how it was gonna come in the box. And then you're just gonna lift them out of the box. Oh my guys. These are gorgeous. Let me remove all of this plastic. Look how gorgeous this is. I ended up getting the large round, classic white round box with the pearl sheen roses. Oh my God, these are gorgeous. I wanted this one because I felt like this would be a beautiful statement in my living room, and it just goes really well. I love how Parisian this looks. It is absolutely stunning. These have about 42 to 49 roses inside. They are actually covered with like I believe like some type of wax to help the longevity of these roses, and they just smell absolutely divine. Like, these smell like freshly picked roses. Each individual rose is literally perfect. So I'm really excited to place these in my living room. I decided to get these because I wanted them for my living room. So I felt like this was going to be like a perfect centerpiece for it, and I can't wait to place them on my coffee table, you guys. This is going to make me happy every single time I walk into that living room. I'm always in there, so I'm just so excited. But I can't get over how beautiful each individual rose is. The care of these roses is very simple. You do not need to water them. If you water them, you will damage them. Keep them away from direct sunlight and they will last you. So just make sure to do that and you will be okay. What I love about the Venus et Fleur's website is that they have so many eternity florals to choose from. They have gardenias, they have orchids, they have baby's breath. Whatever you feel like somebody will love as a gift will be on that website. You can also customize it with a beautiful shaped box. Like I said, I got the large round, but they have square, they have a heart, they have singles, they have so many things to choose from. And they have 26 different colors to select from. And I know if you get this as a gift for yourself or for anybody, they will be so happy because they will last. They do not have to take care of them. I know myself, I am horrible at taking care, changing water, remembering to water the plants or flowers, whatever it is. I am not good at that. So knowing that they have eternity flowers like this, where you can still have a beautiful centerpiece, a beautiful scented roses or flowers to walk into, it's nice because flowers are expensive, and these right here are well worth it. So I highly recommend these. Definitely check out their website. You will not be disappointed. I just can't wait to place these on my coffee table in my living room and have guests come and be like, oh my god, what is that? And I'm gonna say, well, they're Venus et Fleur. And they literally are just absolutely stunning. All that being said, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the review. If you did, let me know down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!